Well, there you go, tubers. There's one that's finished and failed again. Now this is probably my 10th print, and I've really been trying to do this learning curve all on my own without asking for too much help or trying to Google stuff, because that's the way I kind of learn. I've got the Raspberry Pi happening there, more on that later. I have done a whole heap of failed prints already. I've tried doing the vent covers for here, so we don't get any dust and stuff down in that fan, and they've all laminated and fallen apart or not come off the bed properly. So I am actively looking at some upgrades, and I've already ordered the glass bed because this is just hopeless. And I've also ordered all the new parts for here because I do have a bit of clunking through there, and I'm not quite getting enough filament through, but I tell you what, she's close, and for the price I'm pretty happy so far. Like I said, it is a learning curve. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. There's a bit of effort to make this one. And if you've got anything you'd like me to print, hit me up. Once we get the PLA, it will be much better than this ABS, I think, and certainly a lot better for me being a beginner. There we go. It comes off all right. Doesn't leave too much on the bed. Thanks very much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one.